Hello. I will show no pictures because you will see the 3D of the exhibition. I will tell you about something. At first, when we started to make this exhibition, I was frightened because I felt I was no expert on the topics of water. But then, as Mrs. Kajfež-Bogataj said, who is really the professional to talk about water? There is so many professions that deal with water. And since it's a global thing, every one of us, each one of us, and that means every profession should work on water as well. So as a museum for architecture and design, we started to deal with problematics of water from the fields of architecture, urbanism, photography, and design. We focused in the sense of acting locally to the area we are attached to as people who live in Ljubljana and as residents of a castle that was exploiting the water where we stand now. So from every beginning. So we were focusing on the double face of these waters, city, river, Ljubljanica, and its natural background, Ljubljansko barje. And maybe another duality is also seen in our exhibition, meaning the historical and contemporary part, our projects that were also presented by Mr. Koželj today, and many of historical presentations, then confronting them with some ideas of future architecture, architects, the 5 groups, and you will be able to see those also in the presence of authors who are with us today. So I'm inviting you to the exhibition later on in the presence of authors. Thank you.